Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about this one right behind me. It is in a series of using the same colors, just different techniques. And so you can get different results by just using a different technique or a different background. So thanks again for joining me. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. All right, let's get you down on the canvas. Bye for now. Bye. Bye. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing right now is I'm just putting on a layer of black, and I just use black in water for this, and I just kind of layer it with a spatula, if you will. All right, so here we go. We're gonna start with the turquoise green, and then the pewter. Metallic pewter is next. And I use a wiggle line so that way I can capture multi-different colors within a swipe. And then that was the Aqua plus the Aqua shift color. And then this is Lake Blue. Here's the silver that I have. Here's a little bit of metallic cobalt blue. So then there's metallic blue, and this one's the bright blue with metallic black mixed in with it to make it a little bit darker, more like a navy. And here's titanium white with some opal gel. So that kind of adds a little bit of sparkle, if you will. And then gold, of course, needs to be in here as well. And then I'm just going to put a little bit more turquoise on there, and I think some more pewter as well. Then I want to top it off with a little bit of the white, and then the last thing I'm going to put on here is the Payne's gray, just to give it a little bit of definition when it's in it. All right, we're going to start swiping. So I use these plastic tools. Sometimes I even use like credit cards, if you will. But I just took a big plastic sheet and cut them down to the sizes that I need. Right now I'm putting paper towels down. That way that when I go to swipe, I can wipe the plastic piece off on the paper towel, and that way it doesn't transpose any of the color that I did in the swipe previously to my next swipe, if that makes any sense. So as I'm doing that, you know, you can decide how thick you want to go, how thin you want to go. And sometimes I even use the corners of the plastic sheets just to get some small sections. And then like this one right here is, of course, a smaller one too as well. I find that the more I swipe, the longer the swipe goes, the less I like it. So I like those really short ones, so that way you've got some more empty space. But in this one I used a lot of different swiping techniques in the sense of short, fast, long strokes, smooth, that type of stuff to get many different types of texture. And if you can see also, the black has a little bit of texture too because the paint was a little bit thicker. And so I really wanted to make sure that I added texture to this one, and so the lumps will add a little bit of texture as well. So here I needed to put a little bit more paint on because I was noticing when I was swiping, it wasn't swiping as well. Either that it got dry or, you know, something. It always kind of is interesting on how doing something, how it's different once the paint starts to dry for you. I'm just getting a few more pieces of paper towels so that I can swipe in this area too. So it really wasn't activating a lot of cells in this one, and that was fine with me. I hadn't put any silicone in it, and so that wasn't my purpose of this one. It was really just to use multiple different colors the same colors that I used in the previous paintings, just a different technique to get a little bit different effect to it. I really love this one, so thank you for joining me today, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.
See, I'm glowing because of my... I know, I am so weird. All right, so my cat keeps hitting my camera, and I just want to show you him. He's awesome. Come here, Getty. Here he is. He's big and fat, but he's my Lewis. He's my good kitty. Yeah. Say hi to the camera, kitty. Say hi. He just wants me to let him go. Okay. Bye. Bye.